Hello, beautiful people. It is me again, and yes, I made another dollar store candle. This time I bought a much bigger jar, and what I did was I purchased this jar, which was for $1, and I had all the flowers already, and I had the dry walnut shells and the twine. And I had the scents, which I had from my soap making, which was a sandalwood and sage mix. And I used a caramel color tint. I know it looks white from here, but it's actually caramel color. And this is how it looks. So I only spent $1 on the jar. Everything else I had. And I bought 3 of those white dollar store cylinder candles. So this whole thing cost me $4. I think I'm going to just do this from now on. Instead of buying candles, I'm going to make them myself. I could play with the scents and the colors. And anyway, so this is what I did. It's about to pour right now, but I don't care because if we lose electricity, I got a candle. In fact, I have a lot of candles now. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.